Welcome to Humanity and Endtime events. These are the real footage of disasters happening around the world fulfilling endtime Bible prophecy. Watch till the end.
我的天哪！我去，龙卷风了！我操！
The increase in the amount of damage will be one of the most clear indicators that points to growing spread of natural disasters. And now you see the graph showing how the number of natural disasters has been growing in the US from 1980 to 2023. It depicts not just any natural disasters, but namely those that cause damage of more than $1 billion to the country. It is an enormous destruction and losses for a country and society. As you can see, since the beginning of the 2000s, the numbers started growing, and in fact, quite drastically. This suggests that at that point, disasters start to become more powerful and begin to manifest themselves with even greater destructive energy. The overall trend on this graph indicates that there are now more and more natural disasters in the US, and there are no signs of improvement. The year 2023 confirms this, because even as of this September, the number of billion-dollar disasters in the US was already at an all-time high.
Saudi Arabia. Severe thunderstorms, heavy rains, hail and strong winds hit 11 regions of Saudi Arabia. A red warning has been issued. Video from Taif City.
para Porto Alegre. Aqui nesse momento aqui é onde... Redemoinho mesmo, ó.
Situasi pagi ini jam 8.30.
يا عيال